Choosing the right type of roof for your home can be overwhelming, even for those who may be veteran homeowners. It's important while shopping for a new roof that an owner understands that, although some options may be a bit pricier, these higher priced options are often much longer lasting. Take for example slate, copper, and tile roofs. Well, depending on which of these three roofing options is chosen, a homeowner can expect these materials to last 50 years or more. Hard slate and copper, for example, have been shown to last well over 100 years. Wood shake roofs. Well, wood shake roofs have been around for centuries. These rustic-looking roof material typically last 30 or more years. Fiber cement shingles. Fiber cement shingles have a typical lifespan of approximately 25 years. This man-made material has been a popular choice for decades. Asphalt and composition shingle roofs. Asphalt composition shingle roofs have an average life expectancy of 20 years. These types of shingles are going to be very cost-effective while roofing and are the most popular choice of homeowners. Asphalt composition shingle roofs are easy to lay and are typically installed quite quickly, but can be a bit more susceptible to damage from high winds and weather conditions. Whatever choice is made, C.H.I. Roofing can help. Give us a call at 513-731-7663.